In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out on TradingView, an essential technique for effectively navigating your charts and ensuring that you can view your data with the utmost clarity. Whether you're monitoring real-time stocks or analyzing historical charts, mastering this simple yet powerful tool will enhance your overall TradingView experience. Let's dive right in, starting with how to zoom in on your chart. Position your mouse cursor directly over the section of the chart that you want a closer look at. It's crucial to hover precisely over the area you're interested in because the zoom function will focus around the position of your mouse. Once you're set, go ahead and use your mouse wheel to scroll upward. This upward scrolling action will gradually bring the chart into a closer view, centering on the point where your cursor is placed. Keep in mind that this process is meticulous and allows for customization. Just zoom in as closely as your analysis requires. Now that we've tightened our focus on the chart, let's talk about how to bring it back out to see the bigger picture. To zoom out, you'll follow a very similar process. Place your mouse cursor once again over the chart. Keep your hand on your mouse and locate the wheel. This time, scroll downward using your mouse wheel. As you do this, the chart will expand outward, allowing you to take a broader look at the data and capture more information around the focused area. Remember, these actions are easily reversible, so feel at ease to zoom in and out as necessary until you achieve the perfect view for your analysis. The flexibility of zooming in and out helps in maintaining a fluid examination of your charts, providing you with the ability to rapidly transition between detailed and expansive views of the market data. It allows for a dynamic and interactive experience, enhancing your ability to identify trends and make informed decisions. You'll find that becoming fluent in this zooming function on TradingView drastically improves your efficiency. It's these small, seemingly simple skills that make a significant difference when it comes to interpreting complex data swiftly and accurately. With practice, you'll seamlessly blend this technique into your routine analyses without a second thought. By the end of this video, you should feel confident using these basic yet fundamental zooming techniques on TradingView to enhance your chart review process. Thank you for watching.